What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna teach y'all how to make this slime using only two things. So before we get into this, make sure you subscribe and go like all my videos, cause I'm gonna start selling slime. Oh yeah. All you need is a plastic bowl and some acetone. 100% acetone. So open the acetone, of course. Then see this? Just pour some. You hear that sizzle is working. Then it's melting. To go faster, I just push it down. Guess that. Then it turns out like this. Then get it. Like, then here it is. Your slime. Now, you can squeeze the acetone out. Here's the slime. Sorry if you can't see it, but yeah. Yes, slime, baby. Yep. So that's the easiest way to make your slime using only mailbox ingredients. Then I'm gonna put it together with this. It's not sticky, but then don't put too much in there, cause you don't want your mom to say, "Who used all my acetone?" I make my own, get my own acetone, so people be like, "You cussing," when I say acetone is cool. But anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna wipe this up because this is my work area, and yeah, here go all of it together. Cause I use 4 bowls, I guess 4 bowls. Perfect outcome, y'all. Only way you can do it, and it's under it's not even for 1 minute, just 30 seconds. Perfect. Oh my god. At first, I just started doing this out of the blue, cause at first I was trying to pour some acetone in the bowl. So pour some acetone in the bowl so I can do my nails, and then cause my mama told me I can, and then so I did, and the bowl just melted. I'm like, what's the matter with this? Then it came out like, and then I started playing with it, and then I'm like, oh, this slime. Didn't I know that? But yeah, y'all, it only took 30 seconds, so hope you like this. I hope I get many views like other people did.